Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. The real India resides in its villages. Full stop. About 70% of India's population lives in rural areas and earns its livelihood there. Full stop. The major occupation of these people is agriculture. Full stop. Thus, comma, Indian economy is totally an agrarian one. Full stop. However, much industrialized India may become, comma, farmers will remain an integral part of the economy, comma, contributing to 26% of national GDP. Full stop. Paragraph change. Farmers fulfill our food requirements and also produce raw materials like cotton, comma, jute, comma, sugar, comma, oil seeds, etc., comma, for the industries. Full stop. Farmers are also engaged in several agro based activities. Full stop. Farmers contribute to foreign exchange, comma, by producing various products for export such as, comma, tea, comma, coffee, comma, sugar, comma, tobacco, comma, spices, etc. Full stop. It's been due to their sheer hard work that farm productivity of India has increased manifold over the years. Full stop. Paragraph change. However, comma, agriculture in India is dependent solely upon rains, full stop. As soon as the monsoon season starts, comma, the expectant eyes of the farmer keeps slipping to the horizon to spot the first rain clouds darkening the sky, full stop. If the rain fails, comma, then the crops fail to, full stop. Thus, comma, our hard working farmer and his fate is always at the mercy of the quality and quantity of rains, full stop. Sometimes, comma, droughts and famines play havoc in his already tough life, and many a times it is the floods that wash away his toils, full stop. Paragraph change. This is not all, full stop, diseases, comma, sorrows, comma, sufferings, comma, hunger and death are his regular visitors, full stop. He often falls ill and dies uncared for, full stop. If not him, comma, it is sometimes his child, comma, who is already suffering from malnutrition, comma, surrenders to death, full stop. City dwellers cannot even imagine the hardships of a poor farmer, full stop. Thus, comma, it is a matter of grave concern for all of us, full stop. The food provider of our nation, comma, the true son of the soil who feeds millions of hungry people by his endless efforts, comma, himself remains hungry and dies uncared for, full stop, stop.